Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Bank of America app access after device change. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore your Bank of America app access after changing devices, begin by downloading the Bank of America app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the download is complete, open the app on your new device. If you already have an account, tap the Sign In option. Enter your online ID and password in the designated fields. If you forgot your online ID or password, tap on the respective link for assistance. Follow the prompts to recover your online ID or reset your password. After entering your credentials, tap Sign In to proceed. In some cases, you may need to verify your identity for security purposes. This could involve answering security questions or receiving a code via email or SMS. Once your identity is verified, you will gain access to your account. If you don't have an online ID or password, select Enroll to create a new account. Follow the instructions to set up your online ID and password. Ensure all personal information is correct during the enrollment process. After successfully enrolling, sign in using your newly created credentials. Once inside the app, review and update your security settings as needed. If you encounter any issues, visit the Bank of America website or contact customer support for assistance. After restoring access, familiarize yourself with the app's features and settings. This will help you make the most of your banking experience on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.